Hi there, my name's Jon Ewen. I'm an independent drummer and educator. I've been playing for over 40 years and professionally and teaching for 35 of those. As well as being an independent, I'm also a member of 70s hard rock influenced band Mars Bonfire. We're writing our debut album at the moment, and so look out for that and the live dates coming in late 25 and early 26. I'm also a member of rock covers band Admiral Finn's Reloaded and the folk trio Llama Legs, so check us all out on the socials. I've used many different setups by many different companies over the years: drums, cymbals, heads and sticks. And stick-wise, I have to say that Collision are the best I've ever used. I use the 5BR both in the wood and the nylon tip, and I use both versions in different situations because they suit my playing whatever I'm doing. I like the length and the weight of the stick, and the balance is second to none, but also they're the most durable sticks that I've ever used. I am very proud to be a member of the Collision family, and I suggest that you go out and check out their sticks for yourself. You will not be disappointed. I'm going to be doing a follow-up video to this with my new drum kit from my new drum company in a few weeks' time. But in the meantime, here's a couple of videos from last year using the Collision 5BR wood tips. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your own drumming journey, and I'll see you down the road.
Okay, come on. Well, now the house is a rockin', it's on fire. Now the house is a rockin', it's on fire. Now the house is rockin', it's on fire. Now the house is a rockin', it's on fire. Now the house is a rockin', it's on fire. Come on.
Little boy with a heart of steel, he can't rock away.